Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2019 Module 8 SAM Project 1B assignment. This is the assignment of financial accounting. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Sales data, visualization. Copy the existing chart from July to December sales. Paste it to show January to June sales. Adjust the data range accordingly. Step 2. Promotions. Analysis. Create a scatter chart comparing promotion expenses to jewelry sets sold. Resize and position it properly. Add a title indicating promo expense and set sold. Include a linear forecast trend line to visualize the relationship.
Step 3. Buyer's analysis. Generate a pivot table summarizing billed amounts by location. Rename the worksheet as Billed by Location. Apply specific styles and formats. Add a second field for average billing amounts. Adjust formatting and titles accordingly. Step 4. Buyers and products analysis. Create another pivot table focused on earrings sales. Structure rows and columns to display buyer information effectively. Filter the table to show only earring sales. Hide unnecessary field headers. Step 5. Engraving data. Visualization. Insert a sunburst chart based on engraving sales hierarchy. Position and resize the chart appropriately. Title it as Engraving Sales. Step 6. Fine-tuning pivot charts. Adjust the pivot table layout, removing unnecessary fields. Add a calculated field to show the difference between two periods. Modify column headings to indicate the periods.
Step 7. Locations. Analysis. Rearrange the pivot table to show location before order type. Update sales data specifically for earrings. Refresh the pivot chart for accurate representation. Modify the chart type to stacked column and adjust layout and colors. Step 8. Adding slicers for data filtering. Include a slicer based on jewelry type. Position the slicer appropriately. Filter the pivot table and pivot chart to display relevant data. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit, because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 73096555268 or log in to our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.